Hey loves, I am super excited to share my Sephora haul with you today. I don't live close to a good Sephora, so I wanted to make this Sephora trip worth a while, and boy did I find some good stuff. So this bag is full of some great products that I want to share with you. I just want to kind of go through the products. Let me just show you first what I got. So when I walk in the store, I saw one of the things that I've been wanting to try that my hairdresser recommended. It's the Amica Soulfood hair mask. So it's a good nourishing mask, and yeah, it says to massage through wet hair, let penetrate for 5 to 7 minutes and rinse well, and use weekly or daily as a treatment for dry hair. So looking forward to trying this Amica Soulfood hair mask. Oh, well, so this one has been a good one right here. Everybody's been after, and it's the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush, and I got the color in Believe. So let's cut this one open, and I'll just kind of show you what this one looks like on my skin. But I applied it on my hand at Sephora, and it's just a beautiful color. Obviously, we know what the little bottle looks like. Such a cute little package here, and it's got the nice little applicator tip. And let's see if I can just kind of show a little dot. And you know, it only takes very little, and I'll show you just kind of how beautiful this color blends in. But oh, that's so pretty. So looking forward to trying this. You know, got some good reviews, can't wait to try that. All right, so moving on, then I've mentioned before in some of my tutorials, so I'm not great with eyeliner wings. Of course, I have the hooded eyes. So I've tried some eyeliners, I've tried some tricks. So I usually keep my eyeliners kind of low-key, just do on the waterline. Not been great at doing a little wing here. So I got the Kvd Type 2 liner, and I got this one in the mini just to make sure that I do like it. But again, great reviews. This one is in Trooper Black. So it's got the nice little point on the end. So you can kind of see that. So I'm looking forward to kind of trying that and playing around with it. But you can kind of see that good little fun line. So hopefully this one will do the trick with my winged eye look. Again, I've just not had the best of luck with that, but looking forward to trying that one. So this one just launched just the other day, but the Huda Beauty. It's the Luminous Matte Liquid Concealer. So super excited about this one. I got this one in Coconut Flakes. It's the 2.7 in. And let's cut this one open as well. People are just raving about this concealer. I've been a Tarte Shape Tape girl, and I like that. With the mature skin, I, you know, have the creasing under the eyes more these days, but very nice little applicator tip here. And okay, so I want to show you this one up close. Just put a little swatch on there, and oh, it's got a nice creamy texture, blends in nicely. So yeah, looking forward to trying that one out as well. I'm trying to save the best for last. Let's see what I got next. Okay. So next we'll move on, another blush. This one is not the liquid blush, but this is the NARS Blush. And of course this is in the color Orgasm that people seem to rave about. This is one of their best colors, and it's just such a pretty pink color. And I've never tried the NARS Blush, but beautiful little case here. Such a pretty kind of shimmer pink. All right, and then next, so I wanted to find a good bronzer, and Makeup by Mario. Of course, has got some great reviews, and really looking forward to his. And when I applied this in the store, one of the girls helped match me with a color, and it's just gorgeous. And this one is in light medium, I believe. Let's see where the color, yes. So this one is in light medium. Gorgeous color, very nice. And I'll show you there on my wrist. Just nice, just feels buttery smooth, and so I'm looking forward to trying this on. Supposed to stay put, good with my skin type, but yes. Okay, so the first foundation that I want to share with you, I've been so excited to try this forever. It's the Huda Beauty, the Faux Filter Luminous Matte, and I got this one in the color Toasted Coconut. It is 240 in, which is a neutral color. And gorgeous little bottle here. It's got the pump applicator on it, and let's squeeze a little out on my hand here. But I'm really anxious to try this one with the Faux Filter concealer that was just released. But this is so smooth, feels wonderful. It's kind of good with, you know, my skin texture. Supposed to be great wear, but I kind of went on the lighter side. I can always warm it up a little bit. I'm in between my spray tans right now, but gorgeous coverage, and I don't think that I'm going to be disappointed in this one. This one is one that I've wanted to try for a really long time, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury Wallace foundation, and I got the color Warm, which is number 6. Beautiful bottle, love it, so fancy. And then I'm gonna just show you this one compared to the Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna rub this one in. This one's just a little bit warmer, I believe, than the Huda Beauty. Again, just smooth, buttery consistency. Feels great. I'm really looking forward to trying this one. They're both pretty similar, but this one is just a little bit warmer. So anxious to try them out, to try them both out. So looking forward to doing some tutorials with these wonderful products, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. And I would love to hear from you, and just let me know what kind of tutorials you'd like to see. I mean, even if it's not makeup, you know, whether it's fashion or whether it's decorating. I love to make mixed drinks, maybe share some recipes with you. Just let me know what you'd like to see, because I'd love to venture out and do more videos, and you know, just do something that you guys enjoy watching. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you know, always trying to post some interesting little fun videos on my Instagram. And I just love you guys, and thank you for your support, and can't wait to do more, and see you guys soon. Thanks so much. Bye.